Hi guys, today we will talk about Instagram account that how you can create a new Instagram account. If you're new, so please subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon. Now let's start. So first of all, we will click on our Instagram app. Now Instagram is open and here we can see two options: continue as continue with the Facebook, or the second option is sign up with email or phone number. So if you want to continue with Facebook, so you should click on the first option, and if you wanted to sign up with the email or phone number, so you should click on the second option. So I wanted to create with a phone number, so I will click on the second option. Now here once again we can see phone, email. So if you wanted to create with the phone, so you should enter a phone number, and if you wanted to create with the email, so you should enter your email. So I wanted to create with the phone number, so I will enter my phone number and then click on next. So they will send a confirmation code, mean OTP. So now the confirmation code is entered, and now after that here we can see name and password. So you should enter your favorite name and you should enter a strong password. So I wanted to enter my name as, and then the password should be enter a strong password. And then after that continue and signing contacts, or continue without signing content. So you should click on continue and signing content. So after that here we need to give a birthday, so you should give here the birthday. And then just click on next. So after that here we can see create username. So it's mean that if you wanted to create with this name, so it's also right, and if you wanted to choose another name, so you can also choose your favorite name. So I wanted to create with this name, and then next. Or after that here we can see sign up as Shaker I tick 1. So if you wanted to create with this name, so you should click on just sign up. So now it will take a few seconds, it's registering. Now after that here we can see find Facebook friend to follow, connect to Facebook. So you can also find your Facebook friend to follow, or you should click on skip. So I will click on skip, and after that follow friend or skip. So I will click on skip. So after that here we can see add profile photo. So if you wanted to add your profile photo, so you can also add, and if you wanted to add it later, so you should skip. So I will click on skip. Now after that here we can add your phone number. So if you wanted to click on next, and if you wanted to skip, so you should click on skip. Now here we can see our account is completed, so I will click on this icon, and now here we can see my account is created. So you can also create your Instagram account, a professional Instagram account. So thanks for watching. Goodbye until to another video.